you for coming with me. We are now at Five Below. We're officially open, so let's see what they have, guys. I'm so excited. So here we have the sign that says it's $4.25 for these items here. So these bracelets look really nice, guys. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I'm loving these. They're so nice. And look at those earrings. Oh my goodness. I love that. So they have this style. Then they have these. Look at these bangles, guys. I'm absolutely loving these. So I guess these are like $5.25. Look at these right here. I like these, guys. And then they have these earrings. I'm just showing you real quick what they have, guys. I missed the store. How happy I am. Just so happy, guys. So this one says love this bracelet. Look at this. They have the amethyst wrist bracelet. And then this one here says calming, focus, and creativity. I'm really loving this. This one here says love. I like that. I think I might take that. And you have some more earrings over here. So let's see what else they have over here. So then they have these Eiffel Tower watches. And they have that print. So they have that. And then down here they have some more. And then these, I guess, are chokers. So they have those. Guys, they have these. Let's see what's on this side, guys. I guess these are rings. Say no bad days. These are really cute, guys. Look at them. So these are $5. Only that first section was $4. Beautiful. So these are post earrings. And they have this one down here. What does it say? Don't be afraid to be great. Aww. Okay. And then I think I have one more to go through. Look at these. These are anklets, I think. Oh my God, I love those. I needed an anklet. This one is really nice, guys. Look at that one. I'm loving that wood piece. I might get this one. So then they have these earrings down here. Guys, look how beautiful. And then these hoops over here, they say love. I love that. Oh my God. I'm just like in heaven right now, guys. And look at these earrings. Okay. They have it in rose gold. Look at these. Look at these hoops, guys. Oh my goodness. I love that. And then they have those. Look how beautiful those are. Okay, guys. Let's see. Over here they have the nail stuff. So let's see, they have the brush on pink glue, and then here are the gel nail polishes, and then here are the nails, guys. Let me scan through those. So these are $5. Let's go on this side, guys. Let's see. So they have, oh, this is for kids. Okay, so that's the Frozen, the Believe. Look at this. Aren't they beautiful, guys? LOL. Heart and Soul, Art Deco. Look at these. They like have marble on them. And you have the purple. And then here are the files, guys. I need some files, but I need some heavy duty files. Guys, the music in Five Below is always loud. So let's see. And these are $2 and you get like 3 of them. I'm gonna grab that. Okay, and then they have the nail clippers here, the cuticle cutters, and then the eyelash applicator. This is the cuticle pusher, and look at this nail clipper. I'm wondering if I should get that. Let's see what else they have over here. So they have the tweezers set over here, and then they have the bare nails. Okay, so we went through this side, and then all the way over here on this after the display, guys, you have the balls, and those are all $5, the football, soccer balls, and just the play balls. So if we come over here, you have the blender brushes, the cosmetic sponges, and you have the nail polishes over here, guys. What are these? Okay, so they have these, and then what is this? The makeup brush clean. Oh, this is nice. The makeup brush cleaner. And then you have some makeup brushes over here. Now, what are these? Oh, that's the brush holders. That's really neat, guys. Then they have this. I'm like so excited. I don't even know what to grab next, guys. So I miss this place so much. Okay, so what are these? Oh, isn't that cute? That holds the nail polish. It's like a nail polish ring. So while you're polishing your nails, you can stick that in there. What is this? And this is the food smoothing pad. And let's see. So you got some buffers over here. And then you have some manicure and pedicure over here. And then you have some brushes over here. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I love that. And here you have the cleaning brushes. And here's some makeup wipes. What are these, wipes? Yeah, the brush wipes. So you have some of those. Then over here you have, what is that? The Barefoot. A pink Himalayan foot soak. And then look at this, guys. The Blossom Cuticle Oil. And this says Blossom Scented Lip Gloss. That's pretty neat. And then down here, guys, they have these little sponges. Watermelon. Some of them say love. Babe. And here they have some more nail files, but these are not the kind I'm looking for. And then here you have On The Go Fizz Iron. And then you have, these little lint rollers are really cute. This one is called Afterglow, but they don't have one open, guys, and they're taped shut. So these here, they have Profusion, the Glam, and the Highlight. Okay. And then they have this one called, I don't know if this is, oh, this one opens, okay. So they have this one. This is the Ultra Chic collection. And then this is the matte setting spray, guys. So here you have the glitter palettes. Isn't that beautiful, guys? By Beauty Treats. And then this one is the Ultimate Brow, this is Beauty Treats also. You have this, and then you have these palettes right here, the contour and the highlighting, eyeshadow. This one says Gorgeous. That one doesn't open. One is the shimmer. Then the Sunset, and then you have these palettes over here, Smoke and Mirror, Eye Cheek, Tempt by Temptation. And then you have these palettes here, the Perfect 10. Then you have this, the Pro Contour, the Beauty Book. Look at that, guys. I am just like so happy. So now look at this. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Look at this. So it's the Highlight Sparkle. That's what that looks like. And then this one is the Plum Lip Gloss, I guess. This is the matte lip gloss, guys, right here. And then look at this. This is the mascara. Isn't that glitter one nice? Okay, so you got some more of those, guys. The lip jelly, and this is the Sugar Lip Scrub. That's pretty neat. Those are $2, I think, or $2.25. The Lip Wonderland and Nudes. Okay, guys, let's see what's on this side. So these are $4. I'm not sure if they have this Boomtastic or this one, but usually the LA colors, we can go to Dollar Tree for those, guys. I don't know about those, these kind here. But and here's some more LA color palettes. So these are nice. I don't think we have these at Dollar Tree. But here are the eyeliners and the brow liners. You can get that at Dollar Tree. I'm so happy about Five Below. Don't matter where you buy these, guys. Look, the face primer. And then you have the lip glosses and the lipsticks. These are $4. And then here are your nail tips right here. So this is nail glue. And here's nail tips, and then these are your fake lashes right here. And down below you have some organizers, guys. And here, let's see, you have all of your Wet n Wild liners and pencils and these brushes. The liquid liners and the sharpeners on the end. I hope you can hear me, guys. This music is loud. So what is this? A 2-in-1 roller for $5. And here's the jade roller, guys. They had this at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if they still have it, but they do. And here's the rose quartz one. And then there's some blender brushes. Let me go around. Okay guys, so you have the mud mask over here, the detoxifying one, the polishing, charcoal and black sugar, anti-stress, hydrating, clearing, revitalizing, renewing, soothing, and oil absorbing. I'm so impressed. Okay guys, and here's total control, exfoliating, hydrating, cleansing. These are like totally awesome, guys. So I covered this section over here, guys. There's a lot of people in the store, so thank you for coming with me to Five Below. I'm going to move over to another section, and I'll see you in the next video.